Hey, welcome back, everybody. Sign here again with another episode of Harmonious Engineering. And I just saw an otter. So, you want to come with me, buddy? Alright, and let's go get him dropped off over here. Actually, it's an otter. You can roam free, buddy. I do have to go get my some red pandas, and I'm still not sure what happened to the leaf insect because he died before, or disappeared anyway, before the wipe happened. I went ahead, got my cows and sheep back together. I'm going to have to actually go pretty far afield, though, to find cows. Or not cows, pigs. Oh, and my horses, too. I forgot about them. Dang it. Oh, well. I haven't been using the horses a lot. I did go ahead, though, and hook up an importer to my refined storage system. I got 2 more 16K discs in here for now. And I want to make an Arboreal Extractor if I can. So I need a servo. And you need... I should make a multi-servo press, actually. I haven't made one of those yet, have I? No, I haven't. Okay. Because I need these. This process here is only a 56% chance of success. This needs 2 pistons and 4... you know what? I have to run this through twice, right? Okay, so steel, 2 pistons, 2 wire, 2 tubes. Yeah, let's go ahead and make the multi-servo press for now, I think. Mechanical press, machine frame. It is just nice being able to just click and have a thing ready for you. Alright, so... I do need to get the casings done, though. Casings would be pretty easy, though. It's just a sawmill and a deployer, so... I wonder it would... Yeah, you're not any faster, are you? Wrench is the fastest to go. Alright, we needed a depot. Need 8 scaffolding. Need 2 pistons, okay. And sheet metal. Oop. Times, oop, not you, you, times 3. And then heavy engineering blocks. Times 2. All right, perfect. And let's go ahead, get over here now. So you were there. That was weird how that one didn't render in, but... And I missed 2 things, didn't I? Redstone and light engineering blocks, okay. Not a problem. One of you and one of you. Now you are going to need 2 pistons and then 4 of the wire. thought I still had redstone wiring left. I made like 16 of it, didn't I? Yeah, I did. I just left it in here for now. It was 4. Oh, and something I did a while ago and never showed up on camera. There's a magnum torch on top of my house now. So it prevents most mob spawns in the area, which does actually help and make it so I don't have to constantly sleep. Yeah, okay. Redstone on the left, light on the right. And at least it does craft up somewhat quickly. And almost there. Did I already make a press? And I must have. Well, eventually I am going to need 2 of them, so that's not a huge deal. But I just do feel a little bit silly for making another one now. No. You go there like that. It would be pistons as the finishing step, right? So now I just need a steel plate and those. All right. In the long term, I might actually set it up just to use a create because I don't want to use the thermal machines unless I have to. But for right now, seriously. All right. I don't even have steel plates left anymore. Yeah, I need to get a few things taken care of around here. One of which is I'm probably going to tear down almost everything I've built so far and just start over from scratch. I mean, I have the resources, but maybe, set things up a little more intelligently. There we go. And yeah, it's nice and quiet and peaceful around here. And you can go in there like that. Yeah, missing quite a few machines still. There we go, redstone servo. But progression-wise, the next thing I need to get into is the I need rubber. And I need one of these. Then I just need an iron gear. Okay. Yeah. I can do with 8 gears, I guess. All right, and Arboreal Extractor. And that's not a quest either. Well, this one was a quest. I already completed it, though. Figured that would have been a quest. Oh, well. So Arboreal Extractors, we can get sap from dark oak, resin from spruce, resin from acacia, latex from jungle, resin from oak, and resin from birch. Now, resin, we can turn it into tree oil and rosin, which, does that have use in this pack? We can make blocks, which just decompress, it looks like. Okay. And then there is sap, which we can turn into syrup, which, okay. And water. So I guess if you're really hard up for water, you can do that. Didn't... Yeah, there's like syrup bottles. Okay. And yeah, food encapsulator. I don't know why that recipe didn't show up under... It's weird. Okay. Yep, and insert bottle, which is food, and then we can eat it or whatnot. So, much better. All right, for now, let's get you down. And the green light is on. Cool. So we should be getting latex here momentarily. Now, see a tank. Oh, we grab a pneumaticraft tank. Okay. Not augment. Are you really not sighted? I already got 25 millibuckets of latex out of here, but you really don't have sighted controls? Well, that's annoying. Let's go ahead and... All right. And copper. No, copper ingot. All right, let's try that again. Let's get ourselves a pump. And what do we have for levers now? All right, let's try that again now. There we go. I downloaded the mod. I forgot to install it. This is Gauges and Switches. From the same creator as the Engineers Core mod. And let's get ourselves... Yeah, let's go with the rustic lever, I think. Yeah, let's just make a few of these. And then I'll need iron nuggets. And the crafting recipes are really great, because most of them are just, you cycle through different levers you can make. Start with a rustic, and you can go to rustic 2-hinge, rotary, and then there's a nail lever. Nail lever. Actually, let's go with a rotary. And you picked up, you go here, input, output. There we go. And boom. And now we have 100 millibuckets of latex. Now, latex. Huh, weird that the thermal latex is still showing up, but there's no recipes for it, so. Okay, we can use it in the dissolution chamber. Okay, so here's a question. Rubber from thermal is blast chiller. See, not all the recipes are showing up for thermal yet in NEI. Okay, so I need a blast chiller next, huh? Which means I need 3 moonstone, which is a warping of sunstone. That's easy enough. And so I need sun metal blend, this stuff here. This can be turned into sunstone with basalt. Okay. That'll give me a stack. Advancement made. Want to buy a watch? Now, the warping mechanic is pretty cool, but I just wish it was more like the Botania Elven Portal, where it spat it back out into this dimension. Wow, what happened to you over here? Like, all the trees grew at once over here. Yeah, it's getting close to being full. Is that water down there? Oh, yeah, it is. There's even a magma block right there. All right, let's go ahead and get you tossed through. And then follow. And I have portal sounds turned way down. And while we're here, actually, grab some more soul sand. Actually, I don't need soul sand, dang it. Episode 4 last, I set up that thing to actually make soul sand. Can it make soul soil too? It can. Okay. Via bulk haunting. I wonder if... Okay. I could try something now. Alright, experiment time. Did not mean for that to happen, though. And... let's get ourselves a water wheel down. You gonna make a mess? Nope. Okay. Cool. Okay. Vertical gearbox. Shaft. Cased fan. Is currently pulling. It's easy fix, I guess. All right. And what I can do then is just switch you out. Okay, now it's blowing, and do you work? You do, okay. So yeah, you can actually haunt vertically. You just have to put a campfire on top of it. For some reason, I was thinking the only way to haunt was with soul sand, but yeah, that's not the case. All right. There we go. Machine frame. So I need 3 encased fans. Yeah, I need a lot more iron plates. Is what I need. Let's just go 2 stacks for now. All right, and we have a blast chiller now. There we go. And resonant ender. How do we get that without ender pearls? We don't. Okay. Maybe we can chill lava into obsidian though. That's probably the easiest way to get that. And it is 100 millibuckets per. Okay, cool. Now, I've been wanting to make a reservoir. This requires rubber. So, yeah. Unfortunate, but yeah, that's the case. How much of this rubber have we gotten so far? 875. You're producing pretty quickly, aren't you? And we can use fertilizer to boost production if we want. All right. Hopper, right? Yeah, there we go. 900, perfect. The nice thing about the immersive engineering tanks is they will not place source blocks into the world, unlike the crate pumps. So, right, come here. Thank you. You go here. You do that. Input. Go. And you, and then like so. I am still getting a little bit of TPS lag, though. Not sure what's causing that. Basically, block lag. Hey, we got rubber. And then this stuff we can bulk blast, or we can smelt in a furnace, or what have you. Or, you know, you can always just make blocks of rubber. And we're making cured rubber. So now we could actually make ourselves a pity machine frame if we want, which will unlock the final chapter. And there's that. Pity machine frame. That completed the research progress quest line. So, okay. So let's go ahead and do chilling quest to industry and beyond. We get the industrial foregoing manual and more experience. Okay. Next up is dissolution chamber and then latex extraction. Pull latex from logs. Okay. So we could use the arboreal extractors, or we could go with the fluid extractor. And I just need a weighted pressure plate, really. There we go. And then I need a bucket of latex. So, okay, let's look at fertilizer, right? Versus engineering fertilizer, Minecraft fertilizer. Don't believe that, but okay. Tree fertilizer from Create, which is 2 flowers plus coral plus bone meal. Okay. Or I could probably just go with bone meal. Since Thermal hasn't actually instituted their stuff yet. There we go. And now it's actually cooking. So it doesn't show what valid fertilizers would be, but bone meal is usually always pretty good. 312 now. Okay, I mean, look at that. Let it cook through another cycle here, and 349 now. Okay, so we got 37 now instead of 25. So putting bone meal in bumps it up by 50%. Not bad. All right, well, we got ourselves a bucket of latex now. So that is that quest complete. And also over here, I have got a dissolution chamber queued up. There we go. And let's put that away for now. Hey, sweet, level 30 again. All right. Reservoir, though. I need another servo. Okay, I'm probably going to make that off camera then. But I think I'm going to go ahead and call this an episode. We did get the final chapter unlocked, which leads us all the way to the NASA workbench, which we need assembly lasers from Pneumaticraft, which we haven't even started with yet, signalum plates, and we need supreme crafting tables, which need, or not crafting table, supreme machine frame, which needs ether gas, which comes from withers in a fluid laser drill. So we've got a lot of work to do before we can get to space, but I mean, it could definitely be worse, right? Let's see. Yeah, you're my silk one. Okay. There we go. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I might need to see if I'm doing something around here that's lagging stuff out, but I don't know what would be. Let's see. Let's get you put away. Go ahead and drop you in there too. But thank you for coming out. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and until the next one, Science signing out. Have fun.